tonight is our last night in Daang. We are going to Athens, Greece for work.
We're gonna party, we're gonna explore, we're gonna see all the fun stuff.
It's gonna be a very long birthday.
Look at my stylish wife.
This is the vibe right now.
Now, the fun part. Allow me to show you all the strategy. Another trick and tip. Don't forget to give it a little spanking when it's done. Look at that. Spanky wanky. Another one. Boom. Not too bad. One bag complete. Woo! Dreams are fulfilled.
We pack, we sleep, and then we'll see you at the airport in the morning.
See you tomorrow.
Hello friends! Tonight is our last night in Daang, Vietnam, and I'm really sad about it actually. Every single moment that we've had today, we're like, God, I can't wait to come back. We are definitely going to be back here. I figured I'd just take a moment to explain why we are leaving Daang, Vietnam. We are going to Athens, Greece for work. We have been asked to go to the American College of Greece to give a lecture over the course of a couple of days. There's an event going on there at the university focusing on the industry that we have been in for the last few years. Really excited about the opportunity, but again, it's a bit bittersweet because we have to leave one of our favorite places that we've ever lived in. So we are headed over to Europe. As you know, we have gone shopping for winter clothes because we are so not ready for the coldness that we are about to experience. We're going to Athens, Greece for 10 days. And then after that, we are going to be in Paris for 3 weeks for another event that we are going to have to go to for work. We will be speaking there as well. As we are on our final day here in Daang, we are going to show you how we pack, how we get to the airport. We're going to show you all of the different things to just show you what it's like the night before we fly out and live our lives out of the box once again in a new country. We're going to bring you along the entire time in Athens to Paris and to wherever we go next because to be honest, after Paris, we have no idea where we're going to live. This is a part of being a digital nomad. You have to embrace the uncertainty and a bit of the chaos. But tonight, we pack, we sleep, and then we'll see you at the airport in the morning.
This is everything we own. We're gonna have to get rid of some stuff, but not too bad. This should fit in both of our bags. Look at my stylish wife.
This is the vibe right now.
This is the vibe right now. We will get packing. This is unfortunately all the clothes that we have to get rid of. It was a wonderful summer. Now because it's winter, we got to get rid of our beach towels. We got a lot of shirts that we got at different conferences. What else we got in here? More summer clothes from Quinn. We'll donate these. Now, the fun part. It's time to put all the clothes into our beautiful green and orange suitcase. Allow me to show you all the strategy. The strategy for packing is quite simple. If you like something, you take it, you do a roly-poly-oly, boom, boom, bang, and then you throw it in the corner. We're gonna go tight, super tight. So here we go, roly-poly-oly, pack it in. And then you just go boom, 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 boom. I'll show you some of my process. So one of the keys is you start packing all the things that you know for sure that you're gonna bring. All my long pants, those are definitely gonna be very useful in cold environments. So those are going in. Always end with the socks and the underwear, but all the tight things that you know you're definitely gonna bring, you wanna put those away first. If you have button-up shirts, always button up the shirt before you throw it in. Roll it. It's gonna do its best to avoid wrinkles, but you'll probably still have to iron it if you're gonna go to something fancy. Looks like we're almost getting full. This is a little bit concerning. Get rid of this. Can I keep these? Notice I asked my wife, can I keep these? She kindly said yes. Dreams are fulfilled. So essentially we have 4 of these compartments. The only problem is we're also gonna have to put some shoes in there too. So it's gonna be a tight situation. All these clothes are essentially our sweatshirts and jackets. We're gonna be wearing those tomorrow on the plane. Don't question if we'll be cold on that plane. We'll be extra warm. Won't be too hot. We're gonna do triple layer. Once you get on the plane, wrap the sweatshirt around the hips, you're good to go. Okay, we are getting very tight. This one's pretty much done. Zip her up. Spank the booty. Now we go into the next realm. Here we go. Quinn's beautiful shirt. That will keep her warm. Quinn's beautiful business shirt. This will keep her professional. Stylish, professional, female leader. That's my wife. Don't get it twisted. Any husbands or boyfriends out there, this is how you make your woman proud. You fold her clothes. Treat it like you treat your woman. Look how gentle I am. Mwah, kiss it goodbye. See you tomorrow. Another important thing is you want to make sure that you have the clothes that you're going to wear tomorrow all set up. By the time I wake up, I just want to slip in on them and then head on out. So we'll make our own little clean pile. I don't want to be cold. That's my big thing. Back to packing. I can squeeze a lot in a tiny package. Spank at the booty. Any extra space, decorate it with some undies. Undies go in cracks. Get it? Boom, goodbye. Thank you for your contribution. We're looking all right. Panties in the corners. Another trick and tip. Not only put your clothes that you're gonna wear tomorrow in a pile, but put the clothes that you're gonna wanna change into if it's a long trip in the top of the luggage or in the backpack. We're gonna be having a very long trip. We're gonna party, we're gonna explore, we're gonna see all the fun stuff. Now, many of you are probably asking, but John, how do you pack your shoes? You only have 2 pieces of luggage. Well, there's a real great trick to this one. One, I only bring 1 pair of shoes because I have size 14 feet. So therefore, I can't fit 2 pairs of shoes. The other is Quinn gets the luxury of having 2 pairs of shoes, but I get the honor of stuffing them with my big socks. Once you stuff them, then you put them in the suitcase, rubber in, and then you smash them down. Don't forget to give it a little spanking when it's done. Look at that. Spanky wanky. Another one. Boom. Socks go in. High socks. But why? Because we're going into a cold area, of course. Try to find a nice little place for it. It's going to be a tight one, but that's how we like it. What? Tighty whitey. Boom dia. In the bag. Nice compressed. If you're on a long trip, make sure you bring 2 pairs of socks and 2 pairs of underwear. Don't want to be stinky winky on the plane, do you? Nope. All right, last but not least, we got to see how well it fits. Not too bad. Usually it's a lot worse than this, but because we have checked-in luggage, I want to make sure that there's enough space for it to close easily. Last but not least, we use luggage belts. Why, you may ask? Because we don't want our luggage to open up. We're gonna have to check these in. Make sure you thread it through. Bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. 1 bag complete. Who's excited for their birthday in the airport?
So excited! We are headed to the airport in Da Nang to fly out to Singapore, and then from Singapore we are going to Athens. And the whole time it's going to be a celebration of my birthday. It's gonna be a very long birthday. We'll be traveling through different time zones, so it continues to be my birthday longer than just one entire 24 hours. So it's gonna be fun.
We're all packed. Our donation pal is ready to donate, even donating food to whoever's hungry. And Quinn's looking fancy in her new jacket.
Yay, so fancy.
Gucci mine. This is what Quinn looks like when she's all packed. Goodbye, see you soon.